Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, family, we actually have to go back to the apartment for the final cleaning, because our Jamaican sister is coming tomorrow to actually set up our apartment and arrange stuff and make our thing how she want it. So because the delivery guys then come and the foot marks and all that, so just want to go to do a final cleaning, family, to actually make this place spanking clean. So when she come, everything will be intact, family. So she don't have to do no cleaning. All she have to do is just to actually set up and actually get settled, family. So so we're just going back to the apartment with our house manager to actually finish up the cleaning. We're also gonna bring Amesh with us. Family. So we're also gonna bring Amesh with us, and it's just a regular. I'll be staying with him, family. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know your comments. As you know, family. Doing this, it's like when you watch this video, we'll be already have a company up and running. And doing this, like when I'm starting a business, and normally a business is a reflection of me. My business is a reflection of my experience in life. So I experience health and I practice good health. So I have a business around health, veganchoicefoods.com. Check it out. I'd always want to come back to Africa, and that's the reason why I created Jam Tours Africa channel, to actually showcase African stuff. Miss Jam Tours already?
Yeah. Hi.
So everybody's here, family and stuff. Amesh is there, our house manager. Amesh, say hi. Hello. Yes, you're gonna walk today. I'm on your shoes. Yes. Yeah, family. So as I was saying, that my business that I venture in is always a reflection of my experience and how I would like to share it with people who want to do the same thing that I do, family. So now I create the Vegan Choice Foods, I create the Jam Tours Africa, and now I'm actually in the third phase where I'm actually going to help others to come back, help them to set up with a few services that we'll be offering soon. You're welcome. As you know, guys, Miss Jam Tours was in the real estate field, so she understands a lot about housing and property management and stuff. So when you watch this video, we'll be already.
And that's what she has also studied in school.
So we'll already have the company up and running when you see this video, and we'll be actually telling you some of the service that we offer for people in the diaspora who want to come back. Because when I do a business, it has to be a need, and me personally get scammed. I realize that there's a need for this type of service business.
We are boiling.
Yes, really, all this
and
stuff.
I had to lock the car because Hamesh is opening the
Yeah, family. So as I was saying to you that because I was a victim of scamming, I realized that there's a need for this type of services for people coming back to Africa. These services are need for somebody to actually help you to find an apartment. If you come and invest in Africa, you need somebody to manage your apartment, you need somebody to manage your tenant, you need somebody to get your tenant. These are the things. You have an Airbnb in Africa. While you're away, you need a service to actually manage it. When you guest check out and stuff. You need a service to buy land in Africa. You need a service to actually buy an apartment. All of these service, family, will be offering to you with this business, family. So by the time you watch this, we'll have the company and everything up and running. Ms. Jam Tours don't want to disclose no information yet. have the business up and running. So
Like,
that's the reason why.
discussing things when people have not even known.
No, sweetie, but I'm just saying it now.
But it's not
it's
good.
gonna be.
I mean, we've not
them
even
gonna see it
started.
when we have everything and promoting and advertising the services already. Well, at that time, so it's not. I'm not gonna post it now. Yeah, families, I have to explain to Miss Jamto. I'm not gonna post it now, but I'm just doing this video while we're on the job experience. You know what I mean? So we're just showing you what are some of the services that we offer. And if you decide to actually come back to Africa, we can help you to get settled, help you to get set up. Consultation will be free. So you're free to call us and consult, and we advise you. And then when you're ready to make your step, then we'll actually, take you on the journey, family, by you just getting set up in Africa, invest, start a business, employees and all of these things. We can advise you on that, family. So this is Ankeru. We're actually just heading to the apartment under the final touching on the apartment. So when our Jamaican sister come, everything is clean. Just need to add our bed sheet and our thing them and start sleep. So this is so just continue watch the vlog while we go.
Hamesh, you want to spoil the Nanyo?
So Miss Jamto, have anything to say?
No.
What about you study real estate? What are some of the real estate terms that you guys use in that field?
It depends with what you're selling.
So what you sell, like what you like to sell in real estate? With the camera on you.
Boy, guy.
What do you like to sell?
Let's say majorly I was on land and housing.
Okay.
Land and houses.
Okay, so Miss Jamto used to sell land and she used to sell house. Like if you have a developer that build a house, Miss Jamto is the one that would actually promote it and market it.
Well, we have things that
professional way.
Let's say the first thing that you'll always hear is mortgage.
Oh,
because
mortgage.
because
Okay,
obviously
okay.
the houses that you're selling, obviously maybe somebody doesn't have that cash at that time.
Yeah.
So you end up, of course, raising mortgage as the first thing.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have a bank, or you can have your personal bank, or us as the real estate. You have, there's a relationship with a certain bank. So.
All right, family. So that is it for now. Let's go. Yeah, family. So we're actually at the location now, and Miss Jamto is getting ready, and Amesh is putting on his warm place because this place is very cold, family. Ruaka is very cool and cold. So maybe if you're a foreigner, you'll enjoy this nice little coolness, but it's very cool. Amesh, you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come. I can't wait to get outside, not true? Eh? Yes. Amesh, let's go up and come back. Alright? Alright, Amesh, let's go up and come back. Right, Amesh? Yes, let's go up and come back. Alright, let's go. Alright, family, so Miss Jamto is finishing up the small cleaning. Me and Amesh is stepping out of here. Stepping out, right, Amesh? Let's go.
Bye.
Bye, Amesh. See you. Mambo, power. Let's go and let them finish cleaning, right? Come, let's go. Come, boy. Come, let's go down. Let's go down and allow them to clean, okay?
Oh, we clean quick with us.
Yes.
Alright.
Alright, family. So me and Hamish is going back down and allow them to just soak up the place a little. Come. Come on, Amesh. Go in your transport. Go in your transport. 50 minutes with you. 50 minutes. Guess I'll have to walk in downstairs. Come, go in your transport. Because we're not on transport. Yes. Alright, Amesh, let's go. Enough fun. Enough fun in the sun. Let's go. See ya. Why? See ya. Why? Amesh, you want to sleep? Put you to sleep. I'm gonna put you to sleep. You want to sleep? Eh? You want to sleep? Eh? You ready to sleep? Eh? You ready to sleep? Eh? Eh? Huh? You ready to sleep? Eh? Ash. 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 Where you kick off your shoes, eh? Ash. You kick off your shoes, eh? You kick off your shoes. Ash. Yeah, family, so me and Amesh here chilling. But I want to go outside. You want to go outside? Amesh, outside is very cold. Yeah? I want to go down. Is that what you want to do? I want to go down, right? Amesh, you think I'm playing with your boy? You think I'm playing with you, Amesh? You think I'm playing with you? You think I'm playing with your boy? Boy, boy? Boy, boy? Boy, boy? Boy, boy? Boy, boy? You think I'm playing with your boy? Amesh? Amesh, you think I'm playing with you? I'm not playing with you. You think I'm playing with you? You think I'm playing with you? I am not. Amesh. Amesh. Amesh, you think I'm playing with you, boy? You think I'm playing with you? Eh? Eh, boy? You think I'm playing with you? You think I'm playing with you? Eh? You think I'm playing with you? Eh? Eh, boy? You think I'm playing with you? You think I'm playing with you? Eh? Yeah, Amesh. Eh? Playing with you? Hallelujah. Good job. Good job, Amish. Good job. Good job. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam tours them finish. Sweetie, I'm sleeping. Yeah. He's sleeping. We can take him up, Sharon. Take him up. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam tours them finish everything. Amish is sleeping. So we're just gonna wrap up now. So like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know when you're coming. Jam Tours is here for you. We're here to take care of you, help you set up shop in Africa. You know what I mean? Set up your investment, set up your business. All this information you will get from Jam Tours. Knowledge is power. Power is knowledge. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. I thought you guys would finish already. Alright, family. So let's go. Let's follow this pram. Put it in. Okay, he's on and out. Yeah.